Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and V tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to run the multiple functions in Tkinter using the button. Okay, so I have a program here. I have written two functions, test case one, test case two, right? It is printing test case one, it is printing test case two, and this is root tk and some title we have given. Okay, then I am creating a run test cases button. Okay, and right now we are all know that running the one function with the button. Okay, I am assigning test case one function to the button run test cases. So when I press the run test cases button, test case one will be executed and test case one will be printed. Okay, let us see that. So let us run this button. So test case one is printed. Okay. For example, if I want two functions to be executed when I press the run test cases button, then we have to follow this syntax. Okay, command equal to lambda, and in list you supply all your functions which you want to execute when the button is pressed. Okay, so run this program and see run test cases. Now for run test cases button, I assigned two functions. Okay, with the lambda. So all these two functions will be executed. So it will print test case one and test case two, right? So click on this. So test case one and test case two. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi with tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.